do our makeup together while...
How can we overcome?
Cuckoo! Welcome to my vlog. Here's how to add sound effects to your videos.
Part 50. Who the fuck did I marry? The aftermath.
Remember when you said it doesn't get better than this? Only a fool would've let you go. You got into my head. Am I about to lose myself? When will all of this fade away?
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am on my way to get my tires pumped for the first time by myself. It's basically self-service here in Canada. In South Africa you have somebody who does it for you, so it will be interesting and hopefully we figure it out. It's gonna be interesting. Stay tuned.
You must remove the things like that.
This one or this one first?
What of them? What is any of them? And then leave the thing to see how much add again. And you put your long time. Put your hand.
This definitely took us a while to figure it out. Mind you, this is my very first time pumping a tire. My brother wanted to help me, but I wanted him to film the process instead. And let me tell you, my hands were frozen.
You must press that pipe. Put your finger there and just press it.
You literally put some coins. You put about $2 in this machine. Then you pump the tires, but it doesn't seem to be working. Hopefully we get it right. A few days later, I'm in South Africa, Johannesburg to be exact, and the change in weather is like day and night.
It's very nice.
Today's gonna be a good day. We are at the Sazen Hotel and Spa for a whole day spa day, and my sister and I are excited. At this point, we were looking for the spa area and we were completely lost. Eventually, we found it and the lady was showing us around.
Okay. Follow. Okay. Yeah. This is so pretty, eh?
Ladies, so just to your way, my name is Emma. Alright, so you ask when you're tired and you would ask like...
Yeah.
But it's not.
Oh, I know what I take. Grilled lamb chops.
What else?
And for your manicure, is there anything I should know, medical conditions or
No.
allergies?
No, I don't have any medical conditions.
Hi guys, so I just finished getting my massage. I also got a facial. It was one of the best massages I've ever gotten, including the facial. It was amazing. So yeah, I couldn't film all of that just because I didn't want the ladies helping us to feel uncomfortable, but it was amazing, amazing. So right now I'm waiting for my sister to finish with her pedicure, then we can go have lunch. After lunch, then I'm gonna have my pedicure and manicure.
Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye.
Bon appetit. It's a medium well. So the reason why I choose medium well now is because
And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. Cause nothing's ever black and white. Cause nothing's ever black and white. Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. Cause nothing's ever black and white. Cause nothing's ever black and white.
Before the lashes.
Got into my head. Am I about to lose myself? When will all of this fade away? the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. 'Cause nothing's ever black and